Hey, what is up YouTube? This is Alex again with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at an unboxing of a PC case that I'm building. This is the NZXT H700I mid-tower case. I picked colors red and black. As you can see, they have it in different colors like white and black, or I think they have a blue and black as well. Let's get to the unboxing and setup. Well, not setup because I don't have the parts yet, but I'm gonna be building this monster machine, so stay tuned for that for the next episode. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing and see what's inside. Okay, I'm a little scared because I don't know if you, as you can see, this case it came out broken up here. I don't know if you can see it, but hopefully that didn't mess up the case or touched it. Okay, so let's open it up. Oh, great. Let's see. Nope, everything looks perfect. Okay, I'm gonna turn this sideways just to slide the case outwards, because you never know. Okay. Okay, this is harder than I thought. Damn, this is tough. Okay. Finally managed to take it out. Okay. Let's flip it the right way. Oh, I got it upside down. Okay. Sorry. It's not as light as I thought. Ooh. This look real nice. I don't know if you guys, okay. As you can tell, this is the front. It has nothing, so we don't have no CD drives or anything. So just to let you guys know, on the top here, it has a power button, no reset button. It has 4 USB, audio jack, and for microphone as well. But look at this color. Look how this looks. Look how this baby looks from the side. Whew, this is gonna be a great build. I don't know if you could tell, but it looks real nice. Let me get this out of the way. Just so that you know, it comes with a smart control inside that it detects the fan speeds. It will increase the fan speeds on your system if it gets too hot or not, just by sound. So that's a unique feature. Let's see how it works. Okay, this case also comes with a couple of fans. It comes with 1, let's see, 2, 3. So it comes with 4 fans that I can see. Yes, so it comes with 4 fans already. You can always add more, but this is a great case. Great case. Oh, let me show you this feature. This is what I like the most. Okay, so this case comes with cable management already included. So to release it, all you gotta do is hit this button here. You see how easy it is? And there you go. Here you go. As you can see, it comes already with the cable management like I told you. So this is a plus for me because I like everything needy. And as you can tell, they already have all the cables organized for the fans and stuff, you know. So I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Okay, so just to let you know, it has, for the SSDs that you can mount, it has 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 slots for SSDs and also 2 regular hard drives. So that's great. So it has a lot of potential for growth. It's big enough. It has this little nook or whatever it's called, I'm not really sure, just to screw the cables in. No power supply, so you have to put your own power supply. So that's, you know, and like I said, this is just the case. And as you can see here, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slots. So you could add graphic card, more graphic cards, or maybe you want to add different components to it. I heard this case is real silence. Well, I mean silence, I mean that it could hold, like when everything is running, when you put everything in running, the case is well built that the sound won't come out that much from it. So that's good. Like it looks like it's a little sealed. Okay, as you can tell, it has a lot of breathing room. So that's always good, so your computer won't get hot. But basically, this was the unboxing of the H700I case, mid-tower case. This is not a cheap case, just to let you know. There's a lot of cheaper case out there. This case goes for $199.99 just because it has the smart hub inside. Oh, this case also comes with LED lights. I forgot to tell you guys, LED lights that you can put on the side. It comes with the Hue LED lights, so that's a plus. That's why this case is a little bit more pricey, just because it comes with Hue. I guess they combine with Hue, Philly Hue, just to make better RGB for lights. You know, RGB is the beat right now. So anyway people, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for this build. This is gonna be my first gaming computer, the best gaming computer I could build with the amount of money I have. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to thumbs up the video. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.